Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'll guide you through generating and embedding a signing link in an iframe using the BoldSign Node.js SDK. If you're new to the BoldSign API, check out our previous videos. Links are in the description below. Make sure you have Node.js version 12 or higher installed. Once that's confirmed, you can install the BoldSign Node.js SDK by running the npm install BoldSign in your terminal. Since I've already installed it, I'll verify it using npm list BoldSign, which displays the installed version in my project directory. A signing link is a secure, unique URL that directs the signer to the document's signing page. Instead of sending the document via email, you can embed this link in your application, allowing users to sign without leaving your platform. Let's get started with generating the signing link. I'm switching to the BoldSign developer documentation page to create an embedded signing link. I navigate to the code snippet. This API requires key details like the document ID and the signer's email address. Make sure the email matches the one associated with the document, otherwise the API will return an error. You can also specify the signer's country code, phone number, link expiration settings, or a redirect URL to navigate the signer after signing. I'll copy and paste the Node.js code snippet from the documentation into my script. Next, I update the code. In the API client, I set my API key to connect with BoldSign services. If you haven't created an API key yet, head to the BoldSign web app, navigate to the API keys section, and generate one. Now, I need to set the document ID and the signer's email in my code. To find these, I switch to the BoldSign web app, expand the document section, and go to My Documents. I select an NDA document created using templates. If you're new, check out our previous videos on sending documents using templates. Links are in the description. If you want the user to sign within your platform instead of via email, set the Disable Emails property to True when sending the document. This prevents BoldSign from sending document-related emails to recipients. I've already enabled this property when sending the document. Next, I copy the document ID and verify the signer's email. Then, I paste the document ID back into my code and update the signer's email address. However, here, I'm only passing the document ID and email, but you can include additional properties like country code, phone number, or link expiration settings if needed. I run the sample, and the response will return a shareable signing link. Now, let's move on to embedding this URL in an iframe. For detailed instructions, refer to the BoldSign developer documentation. Here's a sample code snippet for embedding the signing link in an iframe element. The signing link triggers client-side events, such as the onDocumentSigned event, which you can handle based on your needs. I'll demonstrate handling the onDocumentSigned event. Here's a code snippet for managing these events. First, I copy the code snippet for embedding the signing link in an iframe and paste it into my HTML. I update the iframe source attribute with the signing link and adjust its height. Then I copy the code snippet for handling client-side events and paste it into my HTML. In the onDocumentSigned event, I add an alert with the message Document Signed, which will display when the signer completes the signing process. With all configurations complete, I run the sample. The BoldSign signing page will appear in the iframe, allowing signers to agree to the terms and conditions and sign the document. Once the document is signed, the onDocumentSigned event triggers, displaying the alert message. That's how an embedded signing link makes signing documents seamless and efficient. One important note, since anyone with the link can sign, always verify the signer's identity before granting access. You can use your application's authentication system to ensure only authorized users can access the signing link. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign API tutorial videos.